The Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF, has achieved another milestone in its maritime surveillance modernization program with the successful flight testing of its third MQ-4C Triton uncrewed aerial system, UAS, designated as AUS-3. The aircraft, developed by Northrop Grumman, underwent rigorous trials at the company's Palmdale facility in California and is now preparing for additional tests before its official delivery. The completion of these tests marks a significant step forward for the RAAF's Triton program, which aims to bolster long-range reconnaissance and intelligence-gathering capabilities in the Indo-Pacific region. The third Triton is expected to join its predecessor at Naval Air Station Patuxent River in Maryland, where both aircraft will undergo calibration testing before being formally integrated into Australia's operational fleet. Once deployed, the MQ-4C Tritons will be assigned to the RAAF's 9th Squadron, operating from two key bases: RAAF Base Edinburgh, South Australia; RAAF Base Tyndall, Northern Territory. These bases will serve as primary hubs for conducting persistent maritime surveillance missions, ensuring enhanced situational awareness and security over Australia's vast maritime territories. Australia received its first MQ-4C Triton in August 2024 and is on track to receive 2 additional units in 2025. Designed as a maritime variant of the Global Hawk UAS, the Triton is intended to complement the P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft, enhancing intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations. The aircraft's primary operational focus will be Australia's northwestern coastline, a strategically vital region for national defense and maritime security. By leveraging its high altitude, long endurance capabilities, the Triton will provide real-time intelligence and surveillance data, improving Australia's ability to detect, track, and respond to potential threats in its surrounding waters. While the Australian Department of Defence initially projected that the MQ-4C Triton would achieve Initial Operational Capability (IOC) by July 2024, production and testing delays have resulted in an adjusted Full Operational Capability (FOC) timeline extending to mid-2031. This revision was outlined in the department's 2020 to 2021 Major Projects Report, reflecting changes in the Triton's production schedule. Despite these delays, the MQ-4C Triton remains a critical asset for Australia's defence strategy, offering unprecedented surveillance coverage across vast oceanic regions and reinforcing RAAF's maritime domain awareness. The MQ-4C Triton, developed by Northrop Grumman, is a state-of-the-art reconnaissance and maritime patrol drone designed to perform wide-area surveillance and intelligence missions. Built as an advanced variant of the Global Hawk, the Triton incorporates specialized enhancements for naval operations, making it an indispensable tool for monitoring and protecting maritime interests. The Triton's first prototype took flight on May 22, 2013, initiating a series of tests to refine its sensor suite, endurance, and mission capabilities. Unlike traditional aircraft, the MQ-4C operates without an onboard pilot, relying on 4 ground-based personnel to oversee its missions and ensure effective command and control. Key specifications of the MQ-4C Triton: engine, Rolls-Royce F137 turbofan; wingspan, 39.9 meters; length, 14.5 meters; height, 4.6 meters; empty weight, 6,781 kilograms; maximum speed, 575 kilometers per hour; endurance, up to 24 hours per mission. With its long-endurance flight capability, the MQ-4C Triton can cover expansive maritime areas without refueling, making it ideal for extended surveillance missions over the Indo-Pacific region. The total investment in the MQ-4C Triton program is estimated at $13.24 billion, with each unit carrying a base cost of $137.9 million. Additional costs arise from research and development efforts, increasing the overall expense for enhanced variants equipped with specialized mission systems. A total of 68 Triton units are planned for production, including 2 prototypes, ensuring that multiple naval forces worldwide can benefit from the drone's advanced reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. Initially, Australia planned to procure 4 MQ-4C Tritons, but the RAAF later expanded its order to 6 units, reinforcing its commitment to enhancing ISR operations. With cutting-edge sensor technology and unmatched endurance, the Triton is poised to become a key asset in securing Australia's maritime borders and contributing to regional stability. As global security challenges evolve, the RAAF's investment in high-endurance surveillance platforms like the MQ-4C Triton demonstrates a proactive approach to defense modernization. The integration of these uncrewed aerial systems will significantly enhance Australia's ability to monitor its maritime domains, ensuring a robust national defense posture in the Indo-Pacific region. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.